bring in InvestorPlace.com executive editor Jeff Reeves because he looks at the markets through an interesting prism and especially specific stocks. But let's just get your macro picture here. We're 2.5 minutes away, Jeff, from seeing 5 indexes, major ones, Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell, and transports closing at brand new records. 5 of these. What do you like this? Are you like, yay, bulls, or worry, here come the bears?
I mean, I'm cautiously optimistic. It's really not a surprise. When you look at the entire calendar year, I think we've seen 40 record closes for the S&P 500. So it's a pretty good story. I'm optimistic it's going to continue. I'm not a bear by any stretch of the imagination. I think it's just another one. Wait until next week. I'm sure we'll see more record highs, right?
Yeah, I mean, when the Fed is sitting there unable to actually effectuate a bunch of stuff and it's still looking at very, very low rates, yes, I would say that. Let's get to your individual stock names that you really look at and say, don't be scared off when they're hacked. Everyone from Equifax to Yahoo, you're saying buy?
Well, I'm not necessarily saying buy those stocks. I think you should buy the trend, though. There's a company out there, FireEye, that's into cybersecurity that has seen pretty good growth so far this year. It's a company that kind of flopped after its IPO, but has been kind of moving away from the single big-ticket sales into more subscription-based, a little bit at a time with reliable revenues, supposed to be profitable in 2018. Morgan Stanley just upgraded FireEye. I think stocks like that are a great way to kind of play the structural trend of, hey, hacking's going to happen. What can you do to profit from it? You buy a stock like FireEye.
Well, yeah, but it's almost like, these stocks that live and die by the news flow of, oh, there's a huge hack, then this goes up. You see these names go up, some bring down. But we're 1 minute away from hearing the closing bell. What propelled the markets today? That's, I think, what confuses investors. Was there any news flow that particularly spiked and added rocket fuel?
Not really. I mean, but that's the thing, is that we've been this benignly higher market in the absence of a catalyst. We have pro-growth policies out of Washington. Maybe not everything people would like, but they're pro-growth. Earnings aren't burning down the house. GDP isn't burning down the house, but they're still pretty good. Consumers are pretty good. It's just a bunch of good news. Nothing great, but I'll take good news.
Well, we got some good data this past week, and maybe we'll get some more coming up this week. Jeff, good to see you. Thank you very much.